Whenever you're stuck and not sure which rule to use in your tabletop RPG, just roll this, a d6. Put aside a single d6 on the table for the players of a very specific color. Pick this one. Take the golden d6. And that's your placeholder for all other rules. The players roll the d6, and a 1 means terrible result for you. 6, a fantastic result. A 2, pretty bad result. 5, pretty good result. 3, slightly below average result. 4, kind of a good result. You've got all your gradations, 6 different ways to tell the outcome in that story. I promise you, just rolling a d6 feels cheesy, feels basic, feels like you're playing an old Monopoly game. It doesn't matter. You're going to be following your rules 90% of the time anyways. The rest of the time, it's better to just roll this than to page through rules and break pacing. We'll talk a lot about pacing on this channel. Breaking immersion and breaking pacing is far worse than simply going, it's time for the special D6. If you name it the special D6 or the story D6, and you give it the specific color and it's that specific special die, that unique one on the table that's only rolled for this. And the players know, now the story is going to pivot to a bad place or a good place. Then suddenly you have a powerful tool that's easy to interpret, and you're only going to be using improv to decide, we don't quite know what happens with this strange wrestle and disarm move that we've just done, but we're going to see what the story die says.